In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cool and powerful white devil eyes effect in Photoshop. We're going to transform the eyes using a few simple tools, and the key to making this effect look good is working carefully and building it up gradually, rather than rushing through it. Start by creating a new layer. Then select the brush tool and set your brush to soft round. For the color, make sure your foreground color matches the white tone already present in the eyes. If that's easier, just use the eyedropper tool to sample the color directly from the image so everything blends naturally. Now, gently brush over the eyes to create the white eye effect. This part is important, so take your time and stay inside the eye area as cleanly as possible. A soft brush helps keep the effect smooth, but careful placement is what really makes it convincing. If needed, build up the white gradually instead of trying to cover everything in one pass. Once that's done, add a layer mask to that eye layer and switch your foreground color to black. With the mask selected, gently brush around the edges of each eye to hide any unwanted spill and clean up the effect. This is where you refine the shape and make the result look polished. Follow the natural outline of the eyes carefully so the effect feels intentional and sharp. Next, choose the Move tool, then hold Ctrl and click the thumbnail of the new eye layer to load it as a selection. After that, go to Select, then Modify, then Expand, and expand the selection by 1 pixel. Click OK. This gives you a slightly larger working area, which will help with the next stage of adding depth. Create another new layer, then go to Edit, and choose Fill. Set the contents to 50%, Gray, and click OK. Change this layer's blend mode to Overlay. Now select the Burn tool, and set the exposure to around 40%. Gently brush over the eyes to introduce shadows and depth. Work slowly here because it's much easier to build darker tones gradually than to fix areas that become too dark too quickly. To finish the effect, select the Dodge tool and raise the exposure to around 60% or a little higher. Carefully click inside the eyes to brighten selected areas and bring out more detail. Keep adjusting until the highlights and shadows feel balanced and the eyes have that dramatic, supernatural look. And that's it. You've successfully created a detailed white devil eyes effect in Photoshop. Take your time with the brushing, cleanup, shadows and highlights, and the final result will look much cleaner and more impressive.